This is Boots from CyborgTeam.com, back with yet another keyboard. Today we got the AJazz AK50 104 key full size mechanical gaming keyboard. It's a lot to say. So that's the AJazz AK50. Now this comes with PBT keycaps. That's the higher quality keycaps. It has white backlight. I got the version with clicky blue switches. And this also has an aluminum frame and a braided cable. So let's crack it open and see what we got. Well, first of all, let's check out this box. Not too shabby, you know. Got some stickers here. Got some Chinese lettering here. AJazz and Nakodex. I'm not sure who that is. That's the box. Let's cut it open and see. And got a box within a box. Gotta love that. Now this box here is just nothing on it. No kind of branding. Okay. Hopefully there's a keyboard inside. And we got a keyboard. Alright. Okay. Typical packaging. Got a keycap puller, plastic. Got some information here and some trash. Put that to the side. Okay. And here's our keyboard. Now it said it had a braided cable, and that is not braided. That is a plastic cable. Or a rubber cable, whatever you want to say. So it already lied to me. How dare you? What else we got? Okay, nice weight. It's about 2 pounds, I would say. The color scheme of the keycaps is kind of cool. Nothing that stands out. Here's your indicator lights over here for caps lock, scroll lock, and num lock. Aluminum frame is definitely cold to the touch. Metal framing. Let's see if there's any flex. There's like hardly any flex. Let's do the shake test. Oops. You can hear that rattling already. Some rattling in the keycaps. That's alright. What we got on the back? So now on the back, this is saying RoboCop. Okay, didn't say RoboCop anywhere. Well, that maybe it says AJazz there. RoboCop. All right, whatever. You got some kick-up feet at least. And if you don't want to incline your keyboard, you got 4 rubber stoppers. And that's about it. AJazz branding on the top there. Now, I think I forgot to mention this keyboard is running for about $55 on Amazon right now. Let's see. Let's pop off one of these keycaps. See the brand of the switches, and I don't know if you can see that. It's let's see. Can you get that in focus? It says AJazz, so AJazz branded switches here. So there's a lot of wobble. There's a lot of wobble in that switch right there. Alrighty. Let me see. Let's plug this in, see what we got. You know what? Let's cut the lights off here. One side of the board lit up. We'll hit it again. And now we have our breathing. Hit it again. Now we're back to solid. Half of the board. Breathing again. Okay. Now let's go to function delete. Will give us our chasing lights. Let's see if we can increase the speed. No, this changes the direction. So I can change it from left to right. It's pretty cool. Let's hit function delete again. And this is the counterclockwise. And we can change the direction again. Make sure this is all the way up. Yep, this is as bright as it gets. Let's hit function delete again, see if it changes. And this is just the inward. Okay. And you can change the direction of that. Function delete. And now this is going to the left. Change it, go to the right. And we're back to the beginning. All right. We hit function home. And it just turns our lights off. Function home again. Oh wait, let me go back. I can't go back. So this is, all right, there we're on touch mode. Let's hit function home again. Let's see what we got. Now this is full line mode. Function home. Now this just lights up a full section. I kind of like that. I haven't seen that before. Function home again, and that is full board. Function home and single key touch, and we're back where we started. So now we're gonna hit function end, see what we got, and this just lights up. This is for your gaming controls. Up, down, left, right, and WASD. Let's see if we get something else. And that's about it. So function end just gives you your gaming keys lit up. We'll hit function and page up, and we have some Roadrunner style. And then the bottom is lit up here. Oh, it's just doing whatever it wants actually. Oh, it's going through the whole gamut. Okay, let's hit function page up again. Alrighty. Function page up again. It's like raindrop style. Function page up once again, and we have full keys light up. See what happens. Okay, there we go. Awesome. Let's see, and I think that's it. All right, function and page down should give us some other. There we go. See if we can speed that up or slow it down. No. Yeah, function page down again. Gives me, okay. Function page down. You can change the direction here. Function page down again gives me, okay. Never saw that effect before. And I believe that was the last one. Yep. So my favorite is always breathing. Where's it at? Let's see if I can find it. There we go. Nope, I lied. And we'll go with this for now. But lots of different effects for this keyboard. Again, it's not very bright, but it gets the job done. Lights on. These keys wobble a lot. I mean, I guess you can't complain too much for a $55 mechanical keyboard with PBT keycaps. All right, quick typing test. Doesn't that sound awful? These keycaps, the keycaps feel nice themselves, but those switches have so much wobble in them. It's just, all these keycaps are just they have way too much movement in them. The stabilizers are terrible. The click, it's like a loud, high-pitched click. You hear the ping in the springs. There's a lot going on. There's a lot of unwanted sounds in there. What can you say? It is a $55 keyboard with mechanical switches and PBT keycaps. So this spacebar is so mushy. It's disgusting. That's the AJazz AK50, right? AK50, 104 key. There are some other features, but honestly, I hate this keyboard. I don't even want to do anything else with it. You know what I'm saying? I do not recommend this thing unless you're looking for a cheap keyboard with PBT keycaps, aluminum frame, 104 keys, full size, with kick-up feet that you want to do a lot of modifications to, because you're going to have to take these out, switch film, all kinds of stuff, lube. You just got a lot of stuff to do. Unless you love the sound. You like that? Oh, God. Anyway, hit me up in the comments if you have any other questions about it. Don't forget to check out cyborgteam.com. Pick yourself up a green camo desk mat. But other than that, I'm out.